Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's a real pleasure for me to take part in the IEEE Region 8 Humanitarian Ambassadors Program training workshop. The talk I'm be covering in this session will focus on the IEEE Humanitarian Technology Board Programs Committee and the IEEE site. Let me introduce first the members of this committee. Who are at the same time members of the HTB Program Committee and the Site Committee. We have Mohamed Amin, Anis Ben Arif, Fayrouz Fatoum, Constance Kelly, Jawad Siddiqui, Adun Tak, Vidyak Kumar, Lavanka Herbert, who is an ex officio without vote member. So IEEE Site is a popular feet on the ground initiative operating as an HCB program. It's a global network of volunteers partner with underserved communities and local organizations to leverage technology for sustainable development. When we talk about sustainable development, we certainly should remember the UN agenda for the Sustainable Development Goal, or that's the 2030 UN agenda, targeting to achieve the 17 Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, that cover all aspects of life, like education, healthcare, so on and so forth. There are plus 41,000 individual site members in 131 countries, which represent 68% of students or graduate student members. 50% membership growth in 2021 and is up by 17% in 2023 so far. Site encourages members to form groups to learn and about sustainable development goals and sustainable development, build relationships within their local communities, and implement projects that utilize technology to tackle key challenges the community is facing. Since site inception in 2011, there have been about 221 site groups formed in plus 50 countries. So you can certainly access more information about site and site groups through our website, site.IEEE.org. Well, you can see also some, trends as of 30 April 2023. Site has plus 41,000 members in 130 countries. So you can see here the growth, between April 2022 and April 2023. So the trend here is, increasing number. So from, during this period of time, the same is also true for the new site members by year. So it's also an increasing trend. You have here, the relative number for this year. We have also the breakdown of the IEEE site membership, members according to their grades. So you can see here that most of the members, of the major number of members, are within student members. So it's represented about 68%, followed by members and followed by other higher IEEE grades. In terms of breakdown according to member regions, so nearly the 3/4 of 76% of membership is located within region 10 and mostly within India, and followed by region 8, our region, in which we have 10%. And then you have region 9, and followed by other regions. And you can see here on this map the distribution of the site groups, where we have site members developing initiatives for their local communities. And you can see here that most of the continents are covered. We have the site groups everywhere in the world, Most of them are located within India. You remember the chart I have just shared with you in the former slide that most of the membership, about 76%, is located within Region 10 and more specifically within India. We have also Region 8, which is well represented, followed by Region 9, Latin America, where we have also many side groups. Even in North America, in Europe, we have also several side groups. Well, we have some historical data and regional distribution of the new groups. So as of 30 April 2023, site has 221 groups in 53 countries. We have here some examples of the newly established site groups. For example, one in Tunisia in the Syrian branch, in ISAT source Syrian branch. The Federal University of Syrian branch site in Brazil, Region 9, and Silver Oak University Syrian branch site in Region 10. Okay. So there are also many other additional petitions under treatment within the committee. Let's focus now on the HTB program responsibilities and the 2023 goals. So HTB programs, description and responsibilities from the HTB operation manual. So the Humanitarian Technologies Program Committee provides for the HTB of those programs whose humanitarian technologies activities are signed or taken for lead administration. So by the HTB, the other subcommittees or working groups may be formed to support that purpose, especially for programs in development. Right now, only site group is operating, but we will have very soon another program joining, which is the IEEE Move. Site committee operate as subcommittee under the HTPC to manage and coordinate aspects of the IEEE site above the local community level. The committee chart includes one, approving new site groups every time we receive petitions. So it's this committee that's taking care, the subcommittee that's taking care of approving it, overseeing the use of site brands by groups, organizing community engagement activities for the related communities, supporting some site projects currently done through joint call for proposals with HTB, and overseeing and tracking the results of the site groups and projects, sunsetting of groups and projects also. The 2023 HTB program goals are outlined here in this slide. First is to enable the harmonization of IEEE humanitarian programs under the HTB docket. You know that within IEEE we have several or many humanitarian programs in different societies and other organizational units. Strengthen the building of the site community, increase site visibility in coordination with HTB, enable site groups to further uphold site best practices, and last but not least, strengthen the analysis process for supporting site groups. When it comes to HTB programs accomplishments and future plans, we have some insight we would like to share with you. So we have also some joint call for proposals to support IEEE member grassroots projects that utilize technology to address pressing needs of the members' local communities with IEEE HTB, especially to address sustainable development issues, address also the sustainable development goals, and so on and so forth. In terms of joint call for proposals, you have here a couple of them outlined in the bottom of this slide through their flyers. So we received 179 proposals from 22 countries and 5 IEEE regions. Most site committee members are contributing as proposal reviewers. We need reviewers, of course, to assess all the proposals received from the different side groups. Well, the Attribute Site Day was launched in 2020 and is held to foster a spirit of community for the global site network, increase awareness of the attribute site within IEEE, promote the opportunity to support sites financially, and to celebrate the impact site volunteers and groups are making on the ground within their communities. So Attribute Site Day activities held during the last years, especially the last year, included keynote session with the IEEE President and CEO, Professor Saifur Rahman, chat with the HTV and site chairs, the 2022 Site Award presentation ceremony. We have also started this year a new event, which is the 24 hours of HTV site, where site groups from around the world share about what they are doing. We have also many site groups who hosted their own activities to celebrate this event. When it comes to the programs or site future plans, so we're trying to make sure that all IEEE sections or IEEE branches have an appointed HTV site chair. It's very important because this will also help increase the site groups and site members within the different sections and the student branches. Increase HTV and site presence in IEEE events and conferences. This is important also to make known all the IEEE members and other communities what site and HTV is doing. Organize monthly HTV site webinars. We have a series of webinars organized every month, so you can have more information about them if you check the HTV site and site website. A talk about HTV site in IEEE regions committee meetings, like the one we are having here today. Then for the 2024 Site Day 24-hour events, we have to explore possible opportunities with IEEE societies and organizational units to launch new programs like the Smart City, for example, and other programs underway. Thank you for your attention.